First of all, let me thank my father, my mother and our beloved Amma for giving me an opportunity. Dear students, good morning to all. Today we will learn about the industrial safety. Okay, let's summarize what are the topic we are going to learn today. Okay, first one is introduction, then causes of accidents, losses to human aspects, economic loss to industry, major categories to accident proneness, planning for accident prevention, safety measures, pre-planned measurement for safety, and finally budgeting for safety. These are the topic we will be discussing today. Okay, first part is that is introduction. Okay, safety. What do you mean by safety? Safety is nothing but safe. It's actually a French word. Okay, safety, that is important in all aspects of view. Okay, if we go anywhere, not only industry, anywhere, any places, safety is very important. Okay, that is what we have separate topic also, safety in most of the UG level as well as diploma level topic. Okay, first thing is, when we talk about safety, before we need to study some basic concept of the safety, later that is due to accident. Okay, if you fail to have proper safety, what will happen? There will be accident. Okay, so what we have to do, first thing is we have to learn about what would be the effect, what would be the reason for taking of accident. That we will learn. So we can classify the plant safety into two major categories. One is human aspect and another one is economic aspect. Okay, human aspect means what? If you take any industry, lot of laborers will be working there. From the management to top level, lot of people will be working there. If you see the human, when something happen, some accident happen in the industry, what will happen? Sometimes there may be a three categorized accident. That may be low level, medium level, high level. Okay, lower level means small scratches, small injury. That is low level. Medium level means there will be some loss of human parts, like one right hand or left hand, right hand leg or left hand leg. These are all the medium. And major accident is big injuries, particularly in this heart, chest area and in head injury. Once if you become head injury means it's very difficult because there is a chance but blood will be clouding on the brain. So what will happen? That will be serious problem. Even though it becomes cure, there will be a chance some parts will not be functioning properly. So we need to have three different types of accident. Next one is economic aspects. We have to look on this economic also very why because when we meet such unwanted incident or accident in our industry, there will be loss will become a vital role for management. That is, production will lost due to particular labor who become injuring, and also we have to give compensation for the particular labor. So production cost will be increasing. Already we have a plan, we have a cost of variable cost as well as the fixed cost. We will be flowing and we will be going in a position when extra pressure, extra burden that will be facing for the industry, the production cost will go increasing. When the production cost increases, automatically we have to give the product from the initial day to some amount of little bit high. So that will make bad name to the customer. So these are all the property that we have to consider in case of our safety. Okay, next one is cost of accidents. Okay, there are two cost of accident. One is direct cost and another one is indirect cost. Okay, direct cost means payment of compensation. If anything happens for any worker, we have to pay some amount. That is the direct compensation. Then we have to meet out the medical expenses, whatever it comes. If it is local hospital or whatever it is, if it is government hospital, we have to meet that is particular organization, particular industry has to meet that medical expenses. Then first year expenses, some amount will come. That also we have to take care. Then due to this, what will happen? We will the particular industry appoint new laborers. Then we have to give training for the new labor how to do the particular job, how to make the process. That will be an extra amount that has to pay the concerned industry. Next one is loss due to waste of new material. That is our next side. Because when the person who works, he may not be aware that the proper method of handling the machineries. So there will some loss will come. Again we have to get the new material. These are will come direct cost. Then indirect cost. If anyone suffering with some injuries, then we have to give that wages. That will be the indirect cost. The second one is when we start the production, that will be another loss. Even though we start the production, we have to pay the electricity bill, some other maintenance, so we have to carry out. These are will be the extra burden to the particular industry. Next one is when we don't have sufficient laborers, when we look for the new laborers, he will be demanding more amount that given already for the existing labor who already got injured. That is an extra burden. These are the cost based indirect cost as well as the direct cost. The next one is due to this, what will happen for industry? There will be loss of profit we will lose. Then we will come some legal expense. We have to go to meet the lawyer. That will be our legal expenses. Then, as I said, cost of trading a new worker and cost loss due to measuring time. That is also important because in process planning we have considered the missing is not each and everyone. That also we have to consider. And next point is the cost of accident. Now there is a percentage how the accident takes place in the industry. If you take the industry place, accordingly, 88% accident happen because of human error, and 10% of accident taking place due to mechanical failure, some machine failure. There will be something wrong. That will be the 12%. 10%. Remaining 2% are due to nature. We cannot predict. Okay, that is what the last percentage wise by human, then unwanted, that is machine failure. Next one is by that remain 2% by nature. Then there are certain groups. Accordingly, I tell you, listen carefully. There are some causes which is grouped together. First is unsafe condition. What do you mean by unsafe condition? That is when